If you have tried all cleaning operations and ink extraction procedures but still cannot solve the printhead's clogging, then you need to replace the printhead. Pull out the ink cartridge and put it in a bag. Unscrew the 3 screws fixing the printhead. Take out the printhead. Disconnect the printhead's ribbon cable. Checking whether the cable has been contaminated with ink. Do not disconnect the raster decoder ribbon cable. Install the new printhead, securing it with the screws and latch. Power on the printer and check the self-test process. If the self-check passes and nozzle check page is good, the printhead replacement is successfully completed.